A few months ago, I was humiliated and fired from my old job. I cried for a very, very long time. But then, I dust myself off, started my new company, and today, I'll be interviewing my old boss for the manager position at my new company. I can't wait to get my revenge. Come in. Hi. That won't be necessary. Have a seat, Miss Franklin. Understood. Tell me a little about yourself. Really, Lisa? We've worked together for 5 years. You're right, scratch that. What would you do if a friend betrayed you? Just kidding, that was a joke. That was a joke. P.S. The water is laxative. What would make you the right candidate for this job? Are you okay? May I be excused momentarily? Sure. Could you please point me to your bathroom? Second door on the right. Thank you. Notice you. And no water. Let the fun begin. Give up from me, watch it till the end. If you like it, tell a friend. Don't forget to hit the bell. Subscribe and come again. It's the Dihalli. It's the Dihalli show.